The 4-hour workday. How to create a time management system that actually works. Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of work where every hour blends into the next, and you're left wondering where your time went? Well, you're not alone. In recent years, the concept of the 4-hour workday has been gaining traction, and for good reason. It's not just about working less, but about working smarter. The idea behind the 4-hour workday is to compress your work hours into a shorter period, allowing you to focus on high-priority tasks and eliminate distractions. This system is based on the Pomodoro technique, developed by Francesco Cirillo in the 1980s, which involves working in focused 25-minute increments, followed by a 5-minute break. To set up your own 4-hour workday, start by identifying your most productive hours. For most people, this is early in the morning, when they feel most alert and focused. Let's say your most productive hours are 8 to 12 a.m. This is when you'll